Hello folks, just Dave here at Primo RV Center. I'm super excited. We just got our 208 Murphy bed in with the Stargazer package, and I want to show you how to set up the Murphy bed in the proper position. So right now it's in the down position. We want to get ready for the day, so we're going to show you how to set this up. We're going to pull the mattress towards us. We're going to set the mattress to the back, and you really want to make sure you don't hit the blind. And then what we want to do is push it up a little bit like this, get our hand behind the couch and in the base of the couch and just pull up towards the ceiling. It's that easy, folks. Now the couch is in the seated position, very comfortable. Once you're done using this and you want to set it up for the night for sleeping, it's super easy as well. So you want to stand up and you make sure you get your hand in the base and at the back, pull towards the ceiling, drop the bed, tuck it in, or the couch. You want to pull the mattress towards you, get past the wardrobe at the top here, and then slide it back in. It's that easy, guys.